Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a 2-bead acrylic application using brick from KRYLX.com. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe. I'm working with a medium to dry bead. Once you've placed your first bead, go ahead and start molding that into shape. Some people like to swipe the sides and some others like to drag. Me, it depends on what day of the week it is. This acrylic is moldable and self-leveling, so don't panic. It'll form back into shape. We love a quality powder. Think of your nail tips as grid lines, kind of like when you get a coloring book, you want to stay within the lines to keep the shape nice and crisp. Does that make sense? I hope so. Anyway, go ahead and follow that up. Make sure everything's crisp into shape. And most importantly, take your time. Second bead. This part always gives everybody anxiety, including me. I actually used more liquid than I wanted to in this moment, but we're gonna work with it. So go ahead and start pushing backwards. You wanna make sure that you do not flood the cuticle area. Did you notice how I'm patting, but the bead is self-leveling? Yes, that's in 4K. The quality. Anywho, make sure those sides are covered. We want to prevent lifting, even though this is a mannequin. And here I am cleaning up those sides because again, we want to keep the shape. If you notice, I'm patting backwards because I want to keep the weight of the nail right there by the apex. So now that my foundation is secured, we can go ahead and start blending that downward. Clean up the sidewalls because again, we want to keep a clean shape and skip out on all that filing time. So here's the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoy. One more thing, subscribe.